How can I navigate Central Park? Imagine stepping into an oasis of greenery right in the heart of New York City. Central Park, spanning over 843 acres, is a treasure trove of nature, art, and history. With its winding paths, serene lakes, and iconic landmarks, navigating this urban paradise can feel overwhelming at first. However, with a little guidance, you can explore its beauty with ease. To begin your journey, familiarize yourself with the park's layout. Central Park is roughly rectangular, stretching from the northern part of 110th Street to the southern part of 59th Street, and from Central Park West to 5th Avenue. The park is divided into several regions, each offering unique attractions. The southern section is known for its bustling activity, featuring landmarks such as the Central Park Zoo and the famous Bethesda Terrace. As you venture further north, you will find the tranquil Great Lawn, a perfect spot for picnics and relaxation. The northern section is home to the picturesque Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis Reservoir, where you can enjoy a scenic walk or jog while taking in stunning views of the city skyline. To navigate effectively, consider using a map or a mobile application specifically designed for Central Park. These resources provide detailed information about trails, landmarks, and facilities. The park has numerous entrances, making it easy to access from various points in the city. The most popular entrances are located at 59th Street and 5th Avenue, as well as at Central Park West and 110th Street. While exploring, keep an eye out for the park's iconic features. The Bow Bridge, with its elegant design, is a favorite spot for photographs. The Alice in Wonderland statue and the Conservatory Garden are also must-see attractions. If you prefer guided experiences, consider joining a walking tour. Many organizations offer themed tours that delve into the park's history, architecture, and natural beauty. This can provide you with valuable insights and enhance your visit. Lastly, remember to take your time. Central Park is not just a destination, it is an experience. Whether you are enjoying a leisurely stroll, renting a bicycle, or simply sitting on a bench to people watch, embrace the moment and soak in the vibrant atmosphere that makes Central Park a beloved escape for both locals and visitors alike.